So welcome to this video. This is the NBA Digital Seal Portal, recently relaunched by the Nigerian Bar Association. So in this portal, it allows you to affix digital seal on a document. So in this portal, you access it via digital seal. Nigerian Bar.online, so that how you can access the portal to adequately affix the digital seal to a document. You have to access this portal via laptop or tablet. You can see it has a device compatibility here. It reads for accurate document preview and precise seal placement. Please access the digital seal portal using a laptop or tablet device. Mobile phones may affect seal affixing precision due to limited screen dimension. So it's advisable to use either a laptop or a tablet to access this digital seal portal. The portal also allows you to verify a sealed document. You can verify it here. And it has other features: tempered evidence seal, QR barcode, QR code verification, branch identity and trusted timestamp. You can proceed to a member's login here, either from here or proceed from here. So we proceed and click on members login. So let's go on. So click on member login. Then you enter your Supreme Court number. We're entering it now here. Then after you're done with that, you proceed and enter your email address. We're entering it now here, in this video. When you are done with that, you scroll down and just activate these notifications. And proceed and click Set Password. Then your Supreme Court number will be auto-generated. Then you click Next. Then you head over to your email, the email you entered earlier, and copy the OTP that will be sent to you. Head back and paste the OTP in the column, and click Verify OTP. Then you enter your password. Generate your own password, choose your own. Don't enter the one that will be suggested to you. Enter your password. When you enter the first time, verify, confirm it, and click Set Password. So now, once again, enter your password. The password you entered earlier. Enter it a second time. And click Sign In. It will officially take you to the portal. This is the official portal now. This is the portal where you are to do the things you intend to do. This is the front page of the NBA Digital Seal Portal. On the right-hand corner, click Buy Seals. You can see there are different packs here. We have 1 pack, 2 packs, 4 packs, 10 packs, and 20 packs, all of varying prices. So you can opt for the one you want to purchase. So that is how it is on this particular portal. So it has an e-transact payment gateway. So we opt for a pack, we click on 1 pack. This is the gateway, the credo. Then head over and click Proceed to Pay. So it is redirecting us to the checkout page now, where we will make the payments. So this is the checkout. We are not paying with With card, we are paying with bank transfer. We click transfer, so it is an admonition, do not underpay or overpay. Stick to the amount that you want to pay. Either 1,000 or whatever amount that you choose. Don't pay over, don't pay less, so just stick to the amount that is generated on the checkout page. So having done that, we now proceed and just click yes. Yes, I understand and proceed. So payment has been made. So we are now waiting for it to redirect us back to the portal. One of the benefits of using bank transfer to make payment is when there are issues. You can easily just raise it up and send your receipts to the relevant authorities. So that's one of the advantages of using bank transfer for this auto-generated account to make payment. So wait for it to redirect us back to the portal. That will just take a couple of minutes for us to get back to the digital portal proper. So it's redirecting us back to the portal now. So this is the portal. So you choose File to upload your documents. So choose a document now. Upload the relevant documents and click Proceed. So it's uploading the documents now. So the document has been uploaded. So click whether you like private or public. Legal partitioner, select one. Click Add Seal and drag it to the place that you want the seal to be on the documents. So having done that, scroll down and click Apply Seals and download. So it's processing. So the document has been downloaded. So as you can see, this is a document. This is the seal and this is the barcode. So that's how you can add the NBA digital seal to your document. Thank you.